Hello, today I'm going to be touring you guys through A Plus Math. A Plus Math is an online worksheet, flashcard, and game stop to help students practice math operational skills. The website, all of those features that I just listed are free. They do, however, have a tutoring and homework helper that you can purchase for an extra cost. The purpose of A Plus Math is to remember, understand, and apply skills in math. And I believe the website personally is Edutain, leaning more towards educate, maybe more in the middle. Um, some of the notable features include worksheets, which if you click on here about worksheets, you can create worksheets or you can practice online worksheets. They also have a flashcard section where you can go through and either create your own flashcards or practice in one of these 5 categories. They also have a games section, which these are all very educationally based games. Math bingo, hidden picture, again looking at different divisions of math, math memory, or a math word find. I personally would recommend this website for students who are maybe struggling with operational math. However, I only really see the fun side when I'm looking at as a middle school educator, math educator. Most of my students have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division down, again, operational math, but maybe some of them are struggling, and I can see this as a fun resource to practice and just gain confidence in those skills. I don't know if I would use A plus math in my classroom, maybe in small group math, but again, I think it could be very useful at the first and second grade level or even kindergarten level where they're starting to learn some of these skills. Awesome. Thanks. Bye.